Hello and welcome. My name is Willow and this is Untitled Bento. Here we discuss all things bento related, from recipes to reviews, tips, and even a little bit of history. Today we're looking through the Kokeshi Bento. This is the Maiko version from Bento & Co. They come in a bunch of different versions. You may still be able to find the Star Wars ones. Interesting tidbit is you can tell she's a Maiko because of the two decorations on her hair. I thought that was really cool. This one I purchased for $24 a couple of years ago, so she's been with us for a good while and she's done really well. At one point, we weren't exactly gentle washing her, so some of her hair is a little bit wrong and her lips got mushed. This comes with a strap, which has an elasticize inside, which sits right here in these grooves on her hair. There's the miso bowl, the gasket. It's quite strong, not watertight, but still it's not going to give you any trouble. There's the top portion and the bottom portion. Now the volume on this one altogether is 640 milliliters, but it's a little misleading because they do include the bowl in that measurement, and the idea is that you bring a packet of miso soup with you, and then with hot water from work, make your miso soup in your bowl. The bowl holds 240 mils. The top and bottom both hold 200 mils respectively. They do say this is dishwasher and microwave safe, though if you're not gentle, this happens with hand washing only. So I don't know that I would trust it in a dishwasher, but you decide what's best for you. And there's nothing in here that will react with the microwave, so I don't see any problem there, though bento is meant to be in room temperature. These come in a variety of different kinds. There's a Maiko, there's a geisha, I believe there's a samurai. You used to be able to get R2D2. There's a handful of others, but they're all through the Bento & Co website. They are available now, and I will link them below. These are a great volume, nice and deep. You see, just to the bottom of my second knuckle. So they're a great volume, and the bottoms don't sit in too far. It's not going to squish things. The lid here is quite domed, so if you have something taller, it can sit in there. This is good and solid here, fits inside the bowl. I used to use this one to take to work with me when I did work, and I loved it. So would I recommend this one? Yeah, it and all of its brothers and sisters are great solid boxes, very sturdy, and with a great volume, so you're going to have enough to eat without overeating. What bento are you using? Let me know in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you next time.